Hello everyone. Today I have this 3090 Ventus on my bench. It has a missing PCI Express hook and in a bit bent shape. Now I'm going to disassemble it and let's see what else is wrong with it. So core looks fine. Can really see anything that obvious on the die. The card is bent from here to here. It's not very straight. That probably will cause some ripped pads under the core and the memory chips around the down bottom. The most obvious one is the missing hook here that is cracked all the way below. I'll check with the microscope. So hook is completely missing. It wasn't in the box. Here it's cracked from that corner to all the way here. So it's probably there's a missing connection all the way from here. It's completely separated from here to here. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna just take out the core and transplant into donor PCB, because the crack repair is not always reliable. It's better to move the core to another PCB if you have donor PCB. So I will put this on the preheater now, take out the core, take out some measurements to check if the core has no shorts on the V core. Then I will clean up the solder here, then reball the core and put it here, and hopefully it will work. So around the core is almost around 160 degrees. Now I can apply some flux. I think that's enough. Now I can start heating up the chip. I might need some extra temp from the top heater. Now chip is moving.